Hey guys, so in this video, we're going to talk about how to do extensions. This is one of the harder parts of the mock offseason, and I'm here to simplify it. So on overthecalc.com's calculator, you can go to transactions and you can choose what you want to do. This is kind of what our sheet is modeled after, but there's no extend feature currently, so I'm going to extend on here. So I'm going to click submit, go right here. I quickly realized I want to give Hargrave a 3-year slash $54 million deal. And since I want to reduce the 2022 cap hit as much as possible to contend, I will add 1 void year since signing bonus distributes across a maximum of 5. Then I will reduce the base this year to 1.75 million and simply keep 11 million here as a placeholder. Next, what I'll do is put in the value that I wanted for his contract, so 18 million across 3. This is simply a placeholder, obviously. This isn't what I'm actually going to do. And then I'm going to put some structure around this. So I might make it 15 million, 18 million, 21 million, just so it's increasing. But then I'm going to add a little signing bonus. So let's make it 3 per year. So I'm going to make this 12, 15, and 18. And I'm going to add $9 million of signing bonus. Make it a nice number, $20 million signing bonus. And here I've quite easily constructed an extension where I reduced my player's cap hit in the coming season by a significant margin. I gave him a signing bonus that is sizable, and I was able to provide him all the money on this 3-year $54 million extension with 1 void year. Obviously, if you're going for a very long deal, you will not have a void year immediately, and that can obviously be renegotiated down the line. But this is what I'll have. Then I can quickly just take a screenshot, or I can snip this little extension bar and save it for later use. But before I do that, I'm going to take this $10 million, I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to take it to my sheet where I can replace it with my initial number. And I've already done it here. So what I generally do is just put my number right here. So Hargrave, 10,802,800. Yeah, 10,802,000. And then what I do is just default the rest of the numbers to 0 for extended players. It's just good practice. It won't break the sheet, and you're highly unlikely to trade a guy you extended for that much money. So, yeah, that's how you put it in. Just replace the old cap hit with your extended cap hit for 2022. And then for traded players, let's say that the Eagles traded for Aaron Rodgers. So we can quickly go to Aaron Rodgers' over the cap, and you're going to need to add a player you traded for to the sheet since it doesn't automatically do that, unfortunately. So what I do is I go right here and I put trade pre-June 1 here if it was a pre-June 1 trade, and I'd see the base salary. I'd copy it and I paste it onto my sheet, and obviously then accordingly put the dead money if cut or dead money if trade. And if you don't want to, you don't need to, since you acquired the player and are likely to roster them. So I did it right here. And then last thing is just general signings. That operates about the same way as a normal signing would, like Javon Hargraves, right? An extension, sorry. But you'd put the player down here. So now let's just say I signed Devontae Adams, right? And his cap hit in 2022, I made like $12 million. And then I could just put zeros around here, or I could put the actual numbers. It doesn't matter since you are likely to roster them. And that is it for this video.